Let me introduce you to NIRVANNA, our next Sprinter van giveaway. This is a SandyVans collaboration that is unlike anything we have ever given away. Not only do you have 33-inch tires, Fox shocks with agile off-road suspension, so this thing could go anywhere. Inside, you could fit 4 people with captain's chairs, dedicated seats for the kids. You got 400 watts of solar, 400 amp hours of lithium-ion power, powered by the full Red Arc system. You got Starlink on top, a full awning, air conditioning, diesel heating. If you love the snow, this is great. If you love the desert, this is great. If you just want to live off-road, this is the rig for you, but there's only one place you can win it, Forge 4x4. If you click that link and become a member, you're automatically gonna get entered to win. Good luck.